thought my bank account was fine, until I saw this. $1,240.20 was just gone. If you're in the US, you probably have this too. Today, I'm showing you where it went and how I stopped it. This one shocked me the most. A $10 charge for premium protection that I never signed up for. It was a tiny checkbox I forgot to uncheck. I didn't even notice it. It was just a ghost charge adding up to $120 a year. And honestly, that wasn't even the worst one. Next, I found these. $12 monthly service fees. Most people just ignore these. I did too. But I spent 15 minutes on a frustrating call to get this waived. That small effort saved me $144 a year. It's annoying, but the math is real. Then there's the lazy money, a $15 streaming service I don't watch, and a $20 app subscription I haven't opened in months. I didn't realize how fast this adds up until I saw the total. Between these two, I found another $420 back in my pocket. Honestly, this annoyed me, because I thought I had control over my money. But the last leak was the big one, my car insurance and internet. I just said, I see a better rate elsewhere, and dropped my expenses by about $45 a month. That's around $550 a year. Here's where all that money went. The hidden plan, $120. The bank fees, $144. The apps, $420. The insurance, $556.20. Total stopped, $1,240.20. Pause this video. Check your last 30 days. You'll probably be surprised what you find. Even if it's just $10, come back and comment it below. I'll reply to as many as I can, and I'll use the best ones for a follow-up called the Subscriber Audit.
If you found this helpful, please share this video with one person who needs it. And don't forget to watch the next video right now.